my loves, this is my homemade cough syrup recipe, y'all. It's only a few ingredients that you need. You're just going to start off by boiling you some water, and once you get your water to a boil, you're going to add in your cinnamon sticks, ginger, and turmeric. You're going to squeeze some fresh lemon juice, and then you're going to get your jars and start filling them with 100% pure raw honey. You're going to add some apple cider vinegar to that honey, and then the concoction that you just brewed up, you're going to add that onto it, y'all. The children going to love it. You're going to love it. It tastes so good, and y'all, it soothes the throat, and it kills that hacking, nagging cough that everybody seems to have that's just lingering after the cold, the flu, RSV, COVID, whatever, y'all. This is a game changer, and sometimes we just got to use the stuff that God put on the earth to help us heal, y'all. This is a great recipe. Also, easy storage. You can put it in the refrigerator and refer to it whenever you need it. I love it. My children love it. And I'm telling you, it will kill that cough within about 10 minutes. My kids are asleep right now, y'all, while I'm recording, and I don't hear shit. So, mission accomplished. Y'all tap in for the full recipe.
Make you proud, make you proud.